level, man. You're his buddy.
Get him, Boba.
This is NYPD. We're going in. All units, we're going in now. NYPD, everybody down! Down floor! What the hell just happened?
You're okay.
No, I'm not. My cover's blown. All operation is botched. You're supposed to wait for us. So who made the call? I did.
No.
I just met a very disturbed man yesterday. He did something uncanny. What does he know? He found him?
Who's this? Disturbed person arrested 3 days ago, then shipped off to site. He's not on the manifest for 828. Why do I kid him? My PD ran his prints, but couldn't ID him. Once his prints were in the system, triggered a match in an hour database. His fingerprints were found in the aircraft?